what really matters here, you shouldn't even be focused on that price to rent ratio. In fact, what you need to focus on more than anything is the incentives that they are offering. How does a 4.625% interest rate on a rental property sound in 2025? Friggin' nuts, right? But with my friends over at Rent to Retirement, it is possible for you guys today, okay? They have a whole slew of properties they're selling in Texas, like this single-family model, okay? And they're offering a ton of builder-based incentives, getting you guys all types of stuff, financing all squared away. This particular one already completed. They have several available. Rent, lease to tenants, $2,325 a month. The price, $313,900. And what really matters here, you shouldn't even be focused on that price to rent ratio. In fact, what you need to focus on more than anything is the incentives that they are offering. You can get this thing with builder-based incentives to buy down your rate. Get the 30-year rate at 4.625% interest, right? In 2025, that is unheard of, right? Like, what are you guys seeing? Like, what are lenders doing for you guys these days on rentals, right? Like 7%, 6.8, 6.9, 8%. It's nuts out there, right? On top of that, they're also offering free PM for a year, post-closing credits and rent credits and all that stuff. So you guys want to hook up with my friends over at Rent to Retirement to talk about this property, as well as the many others they have available in Texas, right? It's not just San Antonio. There's other cities, markets, and communities as well. Like, it's unheard of to be able to get this type of price to rent ratio combined with that type of loan product on an asset in a market like San Antonio, where you're in like a net population gain state, right? Think all those crazy dudes in California, everyone's leaving California. Well, a lot of them are going to Texas. You know what I'm saying? So these are going to move quickly. So these are something you really want to move fast on. Reach out to my friends over at Rent to Retirement for more information on this one.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Holton Wise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.